Amemba Asakue ma chama cha ODM Nimatwaiisya Umbano wa Kuneenanisya Mivango ya Kuendeesya na Mbee Kyama Kii na Kila Kiendee na Kwikumbilwa ni Ngusanisyo sya Utongoi. Mutongoi wa ala Anini Mbungeni ya Kati Junet Mohamed Aisoma Mawitikilano ala Meekia Niwaweta Kana Nimekuendeea Kukunia Kyama Kii maleve bala manenga Mutongoi wa Kyama Kii Dr. Oburu Oginga lengelea ya kutwaiisya unenania na chama cha UDA yulu wasakwani ukite wa mwaka wa 2021 Kyama Kii yingi nikikwithiwa kitwaiisya Umbano wa Amemba onthe kana NDC matuku 21 mwini uu wa katatu bala meithiwa mainengane kimanyithia cha Umbano uu nthini wa ilungu ya mithenya 21 yukite. Anet Mumo nukulivoti.
Nthini wa kikalo cha vamwe ta Ayumbe ma ODM kila tatongoiwa ni Mutongoi wa Kyama Kii ta ODM Dr. Oburu Oginga. Ayumbe ani Kwitikilana na maondo onthe ala manavitukithiwe ni nzama nene sya Kyama Kii kwivo Kwitikilana na Oburu Oginga Kuendeea kwithiwa Mutongoi wa Kyama Kii.
They have endorsed the decision of the National Executive Committee of the party and the Central Committee on the decisions that they have taken in their last 3 sittings. The executive director of the party brought them up to speed on the resolutions of those 2 organs of the party, and the parliamentary group endorsed the decisions of the 2 organs of the party.
Ayumbe ingi Nimetikilana na kuvetangwa kwa Edwin Sifuna mwanyane wa mwandiki munene wa Kyama Kii na Kuendeea na kuthukumana na chama cha UDA ungu wa Witikilano ula wekiwe ni ula wa Mutongoi wa Kyama Kii mututia Raila Odinga na kwianiwa kwa maundu 10 mwiwanoni usu.
The parliamentary group also agreed to receive the report of the 10-point agenda on Tuesday at a broad-based parliamentary group meeting that will be held at KICC on Tuesday, where members from both sides of Kenya Kwanza and ODM will receive the report. Then from there, the public will be told on what progress the report has made, what has been achieved, what has not been achieved. And the parliamentary group emphasized on 2 main issues that they expect to happen. That is the compensation bit of the matter of the 10-point agenda, and the devolution issue, that they want monies increased to the devolved units, and they also want the people who are affected through post-election violence from 2017. That money must be put in the supplementary budget that is in Parliament, I think from tomorrow.
Amemba ingi ni makwatamba unenania kati wa ODM na UDA Kwelekela unyuvanini munene wa mwaka wa 2021 na vala manenga Mutongoi wa Kyama Kii mwanya wa kwikia mawala nyuma mwiwano usu.
Parliamentary group meeting also endorsed the decision of the NEC to give mandate to our party leader to start the process of negotiation with other parties, with like-minded parties, starting with the UDA party, under the way the Central Committee and the NEC Committee, the NEC Committee approved. The parliamentary group also endorsed the decision to have the National Delegates Conference on 27th of March, 27th of this month, and from Friday, the party will communicate and give the 21-day notice that is required in law. Any party in this country that wants to associate with us, our parliamentary numbers are not negotiable. We can negotiate on anything, but not on our parliamentary strength.
Dilivoti ya vilingi wa Mutongoi TV, nitoa Anet Mumo.